Alright, hello everyone, Amanda here with Eclectic Scribbles. I'm back to you today with a brand new video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be opening this mystery package from Norway. So about 3-4 weeks ago, maybe a month, you know, whatever, I requested that 5 people sign up to send me mystery packages with art supplies in them, and then based on whatever art supplies were in the package, I would make an original piece of art with whatever was included, and the person who sent the mystery package to me would then in return get that original sent back to them. And the first package has arrived, so I'm really excited about that. This one is all the way from Melina in Norway, which is freaking awesome. So I've been holding this package for like 2 days and I can't stand it anymore, so we are going to bust this open and see what is inside. So yes, the idea for this is 5 people signed up to send me a mystery box of art supplies, and whatever is in this box, they got to choose whatever supplies they wanted. Whatever is in the box, I have to create a piece of art with it. So it can be as challenging or simple as they would like to make it, and I have no idea what is going to be in these boxes. So alright, let's get that out of the way. And if you can hear the dogs in the background, I apologize, but they are out here with me today, hanging out for just a little bit while I'm waiting for the kids to get home. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, let's get a little note in here. Let's see. Give you some inspiration. Throw some stickers from she threw in some stickers for me as well. So awesome. Oh, look at how pretty they are. I am so excited about this because especially those that are international, they have such different supplies than we have over here. But look at how pretty those stickers are. Thank you so much. All right, what do we have? We have a sticker book. Awesome. All right, and we have this little package of stuff here as well. So, oh, it looks like a bunch of pins. Oh, let's see. So we have 6 fine art pencils by Derwent. We have some pro markers, a micron brush pen. Oh, a little piece of paper to create on. Or a couple, good, because I need all the help that I can get here. All right, so this is a Panduro Hobby twin brush pen. Oh, awesome. It looks like it would be a play on a Tombow type pen. Yep, that is what that is. So we've got a brush pen by Micron here. So we have that. We have got some pro markers. Let's see. We have cinnamon, dusty pink, and burnt sienna. So lots of browns in this package. And we have got twin calligraphy pen, also by Pandora. So this one, oh, okay, has got like that chisel nib on one side and a smaller chisel nib on this side. So awesome. And then Derwent 6 fine art pencils. Oh, look at this. Very pretty. So these are colored pencils. Oh, I love the shades. So we have got Midnight Black, Champagne, Wheat, Sandstone, Mid Ultramarine, and Yellow Ochre. So awesome. Now what to create with these? Oh, that is going to be a tough one. All right, let's move this stuff out of the way. And yeah, I need to come up with something to create with these supplies. Okay, so I think given the color scheme, the brown sort of color scheme that we've got going on here, that I am going to go with a teddy bear as the piece of art that I create. And then we can color him with the Pro markers and the colored pencils, and we can do the outlines in the black ink. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab me a pencil and an eraser here so that I can draw out sort of a little concept-y type sketch, and we can see what we've got going here. All right, I'm gonna go chase down a box out of my dog's mouth, and then I will be right back and time-lapse you through the actual sketch. Okay, y'all, I think that's gonna wrap it up. I really like how the little teddy bear came out. He's so stinking cute. And so I used most of the colors that I was sent, and I cannot get the hang. I'm not gonna get the hang of doing this kind of lettering right off the bat. So I used the calligraphy pen to do my signature down here at the bottom. I was gonna write thank you or thank you very much or something like that to sort of play on the fact that it was a teddy bear, but I just can't bring myself to mess him up now. So he's so cute. I have not ever really used Pro markers before by Winsor & Newton, and I've got to say I like them. I like these colors. They all went really well together. They all were very cohesive as far as creating this little teddy bear was concerned. So these were a nice choice, and they blended really, really well as well. So I'm really happy about that. I mean, I do prefer a brush nib over a chisel nib, but the chisel nib, I mean, it was really nice. So the color is nice and vibrant. It's nice and pigmented. I can't complain at all about these Pro markers. And I know that Winsor & Newton does make a brush marker set as well, if I'm not mistaken. So these were really, really nice. I like the colored pencils. I mean, they're not the best colored pencils that I've ever used in my life, and I was sort of limited in the colors that I have. So the champagne and the wheat don't really show up on anything, but I did really like this yellow. Is it the yellow ochre? It is the yellow ochre. The black is really nice. It wasn't too dark for me to use as shading, and so it's a nice soft pencil. I like that. The brush pen was nice to use for the line art, as was the brush pen from Micron. So this one is water-based and this one is actually permanent. So I just find that I have a hard time controlling the Micron brush nibs because they are just so flexible. So I have to use those sparingly, but they will last longer if you use something like that, which is an archival ink, over something that is a water-based ink. But this was very nice as well, very comparable to a Tombow. I didn't do any kind of extensive test on it, but it was nice and fun. I did think about using this brush nib to write thank you on this or something, but I don't know. I kind of like the little bear all by himself, so I don't think that I'm gonna add any lettering to it. So this will be in a package that goes back to Melina. I want to thank her so much for being the first person to sign up to send me one of these mystery boxes. It was a lot of fun. It was very challenging to look at the supplies and come up with something on the spot, and I'm so happy with the way that this first one turned out. So super cute. So I'm gonna put you together a small package and include some other little goodies with your little teddy bear, and I will be shipping him back to you. So I really hope that you like it. And that is going to wrap up today's video. If you want to see more videos like this one, we've got 4 more mystery boxes coming. If you are really interested in sending me some type of mystery box, you can let me know down in the comments below. It could be any medium at all whatsoever. I mean, you just, whatever artsy medium you want to choose is up to you. It could be as little or as much as you would like as well. So let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of thing, and I might open a few more slots for these mystery boxes. They're so much fun. Alright, so I will see you in the next video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a big thumbs up if you found it at all helpful. And until next time, bye everyone. Bye to Daryl and bye to Brianna, my little friends. Bye.